here with a video on breastfeeding because it's been very hard for me. The first few days after I got back from the hospital, I experienced engorgement, which was very uncomfortable. Unfortunately, I did not have any breast pumps at all at that point. And eventually I got a manual pump. This is the Medela brand, and it helped a lot. If I had known how hard breastfeeding was, I would have gotten it before the baby came. But it did make a huge difference for me because when I didn't have it, I had to hand express to relieve some of the pressure I had, and it was not the most comfortable thing. This makes it so much easier. Now, I tried a few times to feed the baby when I pump on this, but for a few weeks I haven't done it. I have not fed it to him. So he's been feeding from my breast, and mostly I use this when I need to relieve pressure. Because of that, I experience irritation from repeated, what's the word I'm looking for? Sucking from the baby. So it's been very uncomfortable for me. And to, how would I say, to make it worse, I experience mental, wow, I'm struggling with this. I experience mental difficulties while feeding him. Even if I'm very happy, I feel really good. Once I start breastfeeding him, I feel absolutely horrible. And last time I went for a checkup, the doctor told me that I have dysphoric milk ejection reflex. Pretty much, as I mentioned, I feel very bad the moment I start breastfeeding. I experience anger and remember every last thing that pissed me off, and I want to curse the world. It's so horrible, but that's how I feel. The good thing is I'm still able to bond with the baby, and I let him feed, so he's been gaining weight. But to help with the soreness that I experienced, I got Nipple Shields. This is also Medela brand. Give you an idea of what these look like. I'm not sure if you can see, but these might have helped, but for me, but the baby doesn't like it. That's why I hesitated for a while to get them, because I knew that even if it helped me, he would not necessarily like them. It's just a whole bunch of things you have to do. You have to put it in warm water before applying it on there, and I have used them a few times, but I tried again and it just didn't work for him. So yesterday was absolutely horrible as far as the tenderness and irritation I feel. I tried to pump with the manual pump, but the baby was very confused about how to eat from the bottle. I'm not sure why, because he did it before. We just haven't done it in a few weeks, but now he seems very confused about what to do. So he cries, then I have no choice but to breastfeed him. So what I'm really hoping to be able to do is to pump and feed him in the bottle. Hopefully he will learn again how to feed from the bottle. So this is the Medela double electric breast pump. I don't have experience with breast pumps, so this is fresh out of the box for me, to, you know, learn how to use this. This is the device that's in there. I expected it to be way bigger than what it's showing, and I have a feeling that this is the cover. No, this is the charger for it. The tube that connects the bottle to the machine, to the device, and these are get connected to the, I actually don't know what the word for it is, but they connect to these ones, and it comes with 2 little bottles. They look exactly like the other one I have. And oh, interesting. This looks like a charger too. Wow. Comes with 2 chargers for some reason. Maybe one is an extension. I'm not exactly sure, but these are the items that come with this device here. I thought it would have the bag with it, because I always, when I looked online, I always saw them with a bag, but apparently there's no bag in here to carry it. Anyway, so hopefully I can figure out how to put it together, and I'm really hoping that I'll be able to bottle fill. Sorry, I really hope that I'll be able to bottle fill. And I said it again. Oh no, lack of sleep, and I need food. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to bottle feed the baby at least once a day, maybe twice a day. Then my breasts won't be as tender and irritated. I know I'm not the only one that experiences this, because I've spoken to other people that have struggled with this too. It's just so unpleasant. I didn't know that it would be this hard. I did have a nurse that would check in with me every 2 weeks. She tried to talk to me about breastfeeding, but I really don't remember her saying that it would be that difficult. Anyway, the other option I have is to look into getting the Nipple Shields, the silver ones. So once I'm done with this video, I'll probably look into getting some of those, and hopefully it'll help with the irritation. That's pretty much it. I do want to... I see this one here, I think. Yeah. So that goes there. In which case... is not easy to open. Help. So this one goes there. I'm not sure if you can see the charger. Alright, and then you open the bottles. I'm gonna have to sanitize these before using them. That goes into that one, goes into this one, and I'm pretty sure it should run once it's plugged in. So that's the whole unit right here. That's it. I'm gonna figure it out. Hopefully it'll work for me, because otherwise I may have to switch to feeding him in the bottle completely, because I am in so much pain. It's just unbearable. Truly, it's unbearable. If you are pregnant and expecting, just know and prepare. I would definitely recommend having at least the manual pump, because if you don't, you're gonna wish you had it. That's all. That's all. Wish me luck. Hopefully things will work out. Otherwise, you know, it plays back into this DMER that I have, that mentally it just tortures me. That's it. Bye.